Hey guys, welcome again. Today I'm going to make a video about how to pot lemon tree, right? So I recently cultivated this hobby of gardening. I was always fond of gardening, but I just wanted to have my garden, and since we stay in a rented house, I never got a chance to have a garden because the previous home which we stayed in, it didn't have balcony. So the recently we have moved to a new house, new rented house. So we have couple of balconies where one balcony I have converted into my normal garden with all the show plants, and another balcony I'm having some coriander, palak, and then methi leaves. So I so wanted to have lemon tree in my garden. So yesterday I got this lemon tree. Let me show you the tree. So this is the lemon tree which I got. So I got it from a nursery. I bought it from a nursery. So the lemon tree, this is a dwarf variety. Dwarf will not cost you more than 250 bucks. So it's I got it for like 200 bucks. So you can it ranges, the price range is between 150 to 250 bucks. So this is very nice. I like this tree because it has so many branches, and you see there is some bloom also coming, right? So there is a bloom coming, and also you see some of the chotu small lemons here, right? So I just want to pot this tree today. For this I made a soil mixture because I understand that for lemon tree you need a very well drained soil, and also it should have good enough aeration in the soil, right? So what I took today is 50% of soil, any soil is fine. And then I took some perlite, so then vermicompost, and then coco peat. So what I did, the measure which I took is I took 50% soil, 10% perlite, 20% compost, and 20% coco peat. So I believe with this mixture the soil should be having good drainage, and with perlite lemon tree should be getting good aeration, right? Soil mixture is ready. So I have thoroughly mixed all perlite, soil, compost, and coco peat. So let's pot it. So what I usually do is near the drainage of the pot, I usually keep a gravel or a piece of pot or something, so that soil won't drain off from those holes. So I'm just looking for something like, okay, some of these stones or something, I just keep it, or if I have more stones, I just make a layer of those stones in the bottom, then I start putting a soil on top of it. Currently I don't have any stones with me, so I'm just closing the drain holes, and then I'll start putting the soil. I also have some of the potting mix which I made previously. I just preserved it for the next potting use. So I'm just adding that also here, because I think I'll run short of the soil mix which I have made for lemon tree. Let me take the lemon tree out now. just loosening up a bit of soil on top because I don't want it to have the clogs later. And it's like very sticky. I'm not able to remove the soil around it. Don't try to overdo it. If it is not coming, that's okay. You can just plant it like that. But you have to just remove or loosen up a bit of soil so that your plant roots get enough aeration. So I think this is enough because I'm not getting, I think roots are grown all around and mud is covered. So don't want to take a chance and harm any roots which are already grown, right? So let me put this inside the pot. Start putting the soil mixture. I actually got a 14-inch pot and it's quite big, I see. So I just have quarter and a half soil, filled it for now. But that's okay, I can fill the soil later, and I anyways keep putting the manure like a month later or 20 days later, probably it will get filled. I also want some space for watering. So I think this is fine. Plant is anyways covered, the roots are covered, so I'm good with this. For now I'll just go ahead with whatever the amount of soil I have currently. So you don't have to press it, so you just have to put the soil and tap it. That, I think that should be enough. So the one more thing which you guys want to know is for lemon tree, it likes acidic soil. So usually the lemon tree, the soil pH should be between 5.5 to 7. So I'll give a tip how to increase the acidity in the soil. So after some, like today I have potted, probably after a week, once it settles, I'll just put a mix one tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in half a liter water or a 1 liter water. When I'm watering, I'll just put that water mixture. So if you keep putting apple cider vinegar, the acidity in the soil will increase, and don't overdo it. So you can just put the apple cider vinegar like 2 months once or monthly once. If you have a pH meter, that's really good. You can see what is the acidity in your soil, right? So for now I just have the soil and whatever the mixture what we have made earlier. So I think this is good enough for me to go ahead and start keeping in my garden and start helping it growing it. So with this we are done with the lemon tree potting. And also the manure requirements for this is lemon tree likes nitrogen based fertilizers. So if you want to go ahead with any chemical fertilizers, use the one which is of more nitrogen. Say if you're using NPK, use N like twice the times, like 2:1:1 kind of ratio. Otherwise, if you just want to go ahead with organic fertilizers, use any animal based fertilizer like cow dung or sheep poop or maybe horse dung based fertilizers, because animal based fertilizers have a lot of nitrogen in it, right? So let me know how you like my video. whether it was informative. And also, okay, one thing I forgot to mention here is don't overwater it. Keep it in sun. It likes sunlight. Keep it in sun. Don't overwater it. So usually for any plant in that matter, so you have to check whether before watering you have to check whether the soil is moisture enough. If it is moisture enough, you don't have to water it. If it is dry, then water it, right? So don't overwater it like a daily you're watering. So it may be like 2 days or 3 days once. If it is like, if you're in a dry area, probably 2 days once. Or if you're in normal temperatures like 28 to 30, like how I am in, like in Bangalore, so I can water it like 3 days once, right? So that is something which you have to keep in mind. That's it. Happy gardening. Take care until the next video.